Welcome back, dear children. I hope you're all safe and healthy. Children, in our previous session, we discussed about ordinal numbers, right? Today, let's continue with the same, but let's just quickly recap. What are cardinal numbers? The numbers which tells us when we use in simple counting and tells us how many of something are there in a group. Right, for example, 1, 2, 3. These are called cardinal numbers. And what are ordinal numbers? They tells us about some position, or when we compare one thing with the other, we usually use ordinal numbers. So ordinal number tells us the position of an object in a sequence. Now look at this picture. How many birds are there? 5 birds. So the number 5 is which type of number? Ordinal or cardinal? What did we just read? That whenever we count simple numbers, then that are called cardinal numbers. So number 5 is a cardinal number. So today's classwork, page 54 of Maths is fun. You have to count and write the order of letters of the alphabet. Now over here, can you see that A is the first letter in the alphabet? So you have to write first in that box, the spelling of first. C comes at which place? Third place. So you will write third over here, right? Similarly, you have to fill in the boxes and see which alphabet comes at which position. Next question. In the word game, write the position of letters. Start from your left. The word game over here is there. You have to see that G is which letter? Starting from your left. So G is at the first place. So it is the first letter. So you have to write first over here. Similarly, you have to do all these parts. Which is this question. What is the third letter from right? So now in this question they are saying, look at the right side and count that which is the third letter from your right side. So from our right side, A is the third letter. We'll write A over here. Which is the fourth letter from left? From left, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And E is the fourth letter. Right? Now next question, color the third and fifth animals. You have to color the third and fifth animals over here. Moving on, page 56 you have to do. Which comes first? Over here, there are different pictures over here and you have to see according to the sequence that which comes first. Now over here, this is the hatching of eggs. So first of all, which comes first? Eggs. Then it becomes small chicks and then big hen. So this is the way you have to do. Then this is the blooming of the lotus flower. First it is the bud, then it is a small little flower, it is trying to bloom and then it finally blooms. Next is there's a seed, then it becomes a sapling and then becomes a huge tree. This is the germination of seed. Then is how is the milk provided to us? Who gives us milk? Cow. It is then packed and then finally delivered to us. This is the process of life process of a frog. First it becomes a egg, then it becomes a tadpole and then it becomes a frog. Page 55 is your homework, children. You have to color each child. Now over here, you have to color the first child with red color. So you will use red color to fill the first child. The second child should be filled with yellow color. So whatever the information we are giving here, you have to color them accordingly. Right? And finally, they're asking which color is the last child. And the last child is of green color. Right? So this is your today's classwork and homework. You have to do this neatly in your book. Thank you so much, children. God bless you.